We all love the D. I love the D on my skin. I love the D on my face. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm talking about vitamin D, so take your minds out the gutter. If you're from England like me, it's sunny twice a year. Unless it's the corona lockdown, then it's sunny every day. I'm just out here catching some rays. And as girls say on Instagram, hashtag Sunkissed. Also, I'm not out here to look hard with no top on. What about now? No? No? The real reason I'm out here is because the sun is the largest source of vitamin D. You can also find vitamin D in oily fish, egg yolks, mushrooms and wild-caught salmon. On that note, I think I need a holiday. We're all going on a summer holiday. Did you know that vitamin D is fat soluble, which means it gets stored in the liver, as opposed to vitamin C, which is water soluble, which means if you've got too much vitamin C in your body, you just end up whizzing it out. It's recommended to spend at least 15 minutes in the sun to reap the full rewards. Unless you've got a darker skin tone, then I'd say you want to spend at least 40 minutes to an hour. Or if you're like me and you've got a caramel complexion, then show me some affection and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like. A cheeky little fact for you is that vitamin D is actually more of a hormone than it is a vitamin. It's a precursor to the steroid hormone. So for me, who competes in powerlifting, it's super important to get vitamin D into my body and boost my testosterone. So it's all about them gains, bro.
Andy Murray to centre court.
What the? This ain't Wimbledon.
1436 to Skegness. That's 1436
no, that's not
to
flying.
Skegness.
You know when you always feel happy and good when the sun's out? That's because vitamin D affects your brain function, which increases your mood. So if you're feeling a bit low, get yourself some D. Where's my limo driver? Yoo-hoo! I finally made it to sunny Skeggy. It's not that sunny out here, but I've got fond memories of being here and I remember them clear as day. Vitamin D affects our ability to concentrate and retain information. That's why I remember this place so vividly and how awful that weather actually is. Several studies show that people with low levels of vitamin D actually score lower in exams and tests. 1 in 5 people in the UK are deficient, and it's believed up to 90% of people in the US are deficient as well. So there must be a lot of people out there that have got low mood, low testosterone, low estrogen, weakened immune system and low memory and concentration. To make sure you get some D in your life. If you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, then please subscribe, like and comment below with any more video suggestions.